Hello guys, welcome back to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to remove and delete the leave notes from the Instagram in iPhone and Android device. Recently Instagram new update Instagram launched the notes features for the iPhone and Android users. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to how to remove and delete notes from the Instagram in iPhone and Android device. Instagram users question is what to do for this. So guys, before the starting video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Now I will show you how to remove and delete notes from the Instagram applications. Now first of all, open the Instagram applications. Now right hand side corner messenger icon, now simply tap on that. In the top side you can see also notes features available. Now this question is what to do for the remove these notes from your iPhone and Android device. Now the simple trick is now simple tap on the notes applications. Now tap on the leave a notes. Now enter your any words. After again tap on the share. This way too you can easily leave the notes from your Instagram applications. Now the simple thing is how to remove. Now simple tap on that and delete the notes options available. This way too you can easily delete the notes from the Instagrams in iPhone and Android device. If your friends notes remove from your Instagram, then simply tap on that and tap on the mute notes from your Instagram applications. But still lot of Instagram user has been reporting to how to remove the notes features from my Instagrams. So guys, this solution is the download install the old versions of the Instagrams. So guys, now first of all strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and Android devices and open the any browser. In my case I will open the Chrome browser. In the Chrome browser's top corner search bar, in search bar search old versions of the Instagrams. This website link I give you on my descriptions box, so guys easily copy and paste on your browsers and open it. Now the scroll down after you can see also 7 September 2022 is the stable versions of the Instagrams. Now please make sure tap on it and download install these applications on your iPhone and Android device. Once the download and installation is completed, now simple thing is open it and log in your Instagram account. This way too you can permanently delete and remove the Instagram notes features from your iPhone and Android device. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.